Good afternoon, this is the Citadel Watch Workshop and Store. Today I will show you how you can easily add a link to a bracelet or remove it from a Rado DiaStar or Sintra wristwatch. Any Rado wristwatch with a ceramic bracelet. The principle of work is the same everywhere. You can buy these and other wristwatches on our website, link in the description. If you need to buy an additional link for a Rado wristwatch or any other, we may be able to help you. To enlarge the bracelet, we will need an additional link. Any sharp object to push out the pin, as I will show you in the video. I have a special tool and need tweezers, but it's possible without it. To begin with, we find the arrows on the back of the bracelet. The arrows show the directions in which we need to get the rod, as in the video. We take it out carefully with tweezers. After we take it out, we disconnect the bracelet and take our additional link, which we ordered from Citadel Watch. Note how the rod was installed. In the same way, we will need to install it back. Take our additional link and install it as I show in the video. Install the main link with the correct side so that the rod enters without force and is installed correctly. That's how I show it in this video. Then we connect the bracelet together and carefully push the stem in the opposite direction from the arrow and make sure that the protrusion on the stem is located at the end as shown in the video. Depending on the watch, the effort may vary when installing the links. Don't be afraid to use a little force to get the stem to sit correctly, but be careful not to damage your watch or your hands. Then we push it all the way in so that the rod does not stick out and is securely fastened. That's all. If you did everything correctly as shown in the video, then everything should work out for you. Congratulations, now you know how to install ceramic links on a Rado wristwatch. If you have any questions, please ask. Write to us via messengers that are on our website or in the comments under this video. If you need an original wristwatch at a good price, you can choose from our website. We have more than 100 models, and I'm sure you will find something that you really like and will make you happy every day. Happy shopping and have a nice day.